Hello friends, today let's learn colors with cars and trucks. Can you guess the color of this car? Yellow. Yellow. Do you know what color this car is? Blue. Blue. Can you figure out the color of this car? Green. Green. Can you tell what is the color of this car? Red. Red. Can you guess the color of this car? Pink. Pink. Do you know what color this car is? Purple. Purple. Can you figure out the color of this car? Orange. Orange. Can you tell what is the color of this car? Black. Black. Can you guess the color of this car? White. White. Do you know what color this car is? Gray. Gray. Can you figure out the color of this truck? Yellow. Yellow. Can you tell what is the color of this truck? Green. Green. Can you guess the color of this truck? Red. Red. Do you know what color this truck is? Blue. Blue. Can you figure out the color of this truck? Purple. Purple. Can you tell what is the color of this truck? Orange. Orange. Can you guess the color of this truck? Pink. Pink. Do you know what color this truck is? Black. Black. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. Also, please don't forget to check our popular video on road utility vehicles. I am sure you're going to love it. See you next time. Bye.